Hello children, good morning. How are you? Are you all safe? In the last class we saw some good habits. In today's class we are going to recall that one. Okay, shall we see now? First one, early to bed and early to rise. You should go to the bed early in the night and you should get up early in the morning. Then you should brush your teeth twice a day. Then you should take bath regularly. Then you should wash your hands frequently. Shall we see some more good habits now, Kuttis? Kuttis, you should wear clean clothes. Clean clothes means washed clothes. You should not wear dirty clothes at all. You should wear the clean clothes always. Okay. Then you should cut your nails at least once in a week. Okay. Then you should comb your hair in the morning and in the evening. Then we should keep our surroundings clean. To keep our surroundings clean, what should we do? We should use the dustbin. We should not throw the waste on the floor. We should always use the dustbin to throw the waste materials. Okay, will you all follow this one? Then shall we go to the next good habit, ma? You should respect your elders and you should obey your parents also. Okay. Okay, Kudish, shall we go to the topic now? In today's class, we are going to see about proper noun and common noun. Before going to see about proper and common nouns, first we are going to learn about nouns. In the previous class itself, I explained you about nouns. Do you all remember that one? Shall we recall that one first? Noun is a naming word. It can be the name of a place, thing, person, animal or feeling, etc. Kutis, noun is a naming word. Noun ங்கிறது என்னன்னா naming word. பெயரை குறிக்கும் சொல். அதுதான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம்னா noun னு சொல்றோம். It can be the name of a person, place, animal or thing அப்படினா அது எதோட நேமா வேணாலும் இருக்கலாம். place ஓட நேமா இருக்கலாம், person ஓட நேமா இருக்கலாம், animal ஓட நேமா இருக்கலாம், things ஓட நேமா இருக்கலாம். இதுல எதோட நேமா இருந்தாலும் அது நேமிங் வேர்ட் தான் noun தான். ஓகேங்களா? Kutis, first we shall see about common noun. Kutis, take your book, page number 87. Please see the definition given in the book for common noun, Kutis. If a naming word denotes a person in general, it is common noun. If a naming word does not particularize anything or anyone, it is a common noun. அதாவது ஒரு நேமிங் வேர்ட் காமனா எல்லாரையும் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுச்சுனா, எல்லா திங்ஸையும் பர்சனையும் அனிமலையும் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுச்சுனா அது காமன் நவுன். Kutis, see the image of a girl in the book, Kutis. It is a common noun. Can you say why is it a common noun? Because this common noun girl can be used for any girl. See the book, Kutis. Here the naming word girl can be used for any girl. So it is a common noun. Kutis, now we are going to see some more examples for common noun. Here are some naming words that denote the person, place and things in common. See the first one, boy. Boy is a common noun because it can be used for any boy. See the next one, pen. This one also can be used for any pen. So it is a common noun. City, fruit, book, king, animal, bird and game. These are all common nouns because these common nouns can be used for any kind of these things. So these are all common nouns. Can you understand, ma? Kutis, see this example. If you see this example, you can understand very clearly. See the naming word dog. This one can be used for any dog because we have so many varieties of dog. But this naming word dog did not particularize anything or anyone, any particular kind of dog. So it is a common noun. Park, train, wheel, baby and candy. These words are also known as common nouns because these words can be used for any kind of these things. So these are all known as common noun. Okay. Kutis, can you understand clearly? அதாவது ஒரு நேமிங் வேர்ட் எந்த ஒரு பர்சனையோ பொருளையோ பர்டிகுலரைஸ் பண்ணி சொல்லலைன்னா அது காமன் நவுன். Shall we go to the proper noun now? If a naming word denotes a person in particular, it is proper noun. அதாவது ஒரு நேமிங் வேர்ட் ஏதாவது ஒரு பர்சனையோ திங்ஸையோ பர்டிகுலரைஸ் பண்ணி சொல்லுச்சுன்னா அது ப்ராப்பர் நவுன். Could you see the image? Name of the girl is Netra. Here the naming word Netra can be used for a particular girl. So it is a proper noun. Is it possible to us to call any girl as Netra? No. We cannot address all the girls as Netra. Netra is a particular girl's name. We can call that particular girl alone as Netra. So this type of noun is known as proper noun. Here are some naming words that denote the person and things in particular. First one, Siva. This is a name of a particular person. So it is a proper noun. Next one, Madurai. It is the name of a particular place. So it is a proper noun. And then Chennai. This one is also a name of a particular place. So it is a proper noun. See the next example, Mala. This is the name of a particular girl. So it is a proper noun. Like that, Tamil, Pari and English. These words are also known as proper noun because these words are mentioning particular subject and a person. So these words are known as proper noun. Okay. In the next example, Kutis, Taj Mahal. We cannot address all the buildings as Taj Mahal because it is the name of this particular building. So these kind of noun is known as proper noun. Okay. See the next example, Kutis, Mettur Dam. It is the name of a particular dam. We cannot mention all the dams as Mettur Dam. So it is a proper noun. Next one, Abraham Lincoln. It is the name of a particular person. We cannot address all the persons at Abraham Lincoln. So it is a proper noun. See the exercise, Kutis. Circle the picture that denotes the person or thing in common. First one, girl. It is a common noun. Because this word girl do not particularize any girl. So it is a common noun. See the next one, Pooja. It is the name of a particular girl. So it is a proper noun. So we should not circle this word. Next one, book. It is a common noun. Because it does not particularize any book. So it is a common noun. Next one, English book. It is mentioning a particular subject. So it is a proper noun. Next one, tree.
Here the word tree is not mentioning any particular tree.
So it is a common noun. So we should circle the word tree. Next one, mango tree. It is a proper noun. Because this word tree is mentioning a particular tree. So it is a proper noun. Next one, boy. It is a common noun. Because this word boy can be used for any boy. So it is a common noun. Next one, Arun. This word Arun is mentioning a particular boy. So it is a proper noun. Next exercise, Kutis. Circle the picture that denotes person or things in particular. Here you have to circle the proper nouns. Okay. See the first one, Raju. It is the name of a particular boy. So it is a proper noun. You have to circle this word Raju. Next one, mango. It is the name of a particular fruit. So you have to circle the word mango here. Okay. Next one, doctor. Here they did not mention any particular doctor. So it is a common noun. We should not circle the word doctor. Next one, book. It is a common noun. Here they did not mention any name of the book or subject. So it is a common noun. We should not circle the word book. Next one, animal. It is a common noun because all the animals can be called an animal. So it is a common noun. Next one, soldier. Here also they did not mention any particular name or they did not specific anything. So it is a common noun. Next exercise, circle the common noun in green and circle the proper noun in blue. In this exercise, you have to circle the common nouns with green and proper noun with blue. First one, Gracie. It is the name of a particular girl. So you have to circle the word Gracie with blue. Fruit. It is a common noun. So you have to circle the word with green. Next one, earth. It is a proper noun. So you have to circle the word earth with blue. Next one, onion. It is a proper noun. So you have to circle the word onion with blue. Next one, peacock. You have to circle the word peacock with blue because it is a proper noun. Next one, train. It is a common noun. So you have to circle the word train with green. Next one, ball. It is a common noun. So you have to circle the ball with green. Next one, Velur. It is the name of a particular place. So it is a proper noun. So you have to circle the word Velur with blue. Next one, planet. Here they did not mention any particular name of the planet. So it is a common noun. So you have to circle the word planet with green. Next one, grapes. It is the name of a particular fruit. So you have to circle the word grapes with blue. Okay.
One, refuse, disagree. Third one, pleasant, happy. Next Roman, write the antonyms. First one, active, lazy. Second one, master, servant. Third one, believe, disbelieve. Kutis, you should complete these two Romans in your home test note. Okay. Kutis, take your handwriting note. Write today's day. TUESDAY Tuesday. And then write today's date also. 06/07/2021. First word, alphabet. Capital letter A. It should come in the first 3 lines. Okay. Then small letter L. Then small letter P. Small letter H. Small letter B. And small letter E. Alphabet. Okay. Then leave some space and then write the next word. Capital letter A. Then small letter G. Small letter R. And small letter A. Agra. Kutis, complete this page fully like this. Take photo and send it to your class teacher. Okay. Thank you, Kutis. Bye. We will meet in the next class.